Hey, what's going on guys? Welcome to step number 2 in how to create a Wix website. Now in the previous video guys, we went ahead and created our free Wix account. It was a pretty simple process. And in this video guys, we're going to go ahead and take it a step further. And we're going to go ahead and select a Wix template for our website. Alright, so let's go ahead and do that. Let's go back to our Wix account. So once we're back on our Wix account guys, we will once again be on this page right here where we can go ahead and pick our template. And like I said in the previous video, you can go ahead and filter your templates by the different categories and filters right here. So let's go ahead and pick a template. For this course guys, I'm going to go ahead and select this template right here to go ahead and work with. So to view a template guys, you can simply go ahead and press this view button right here. And then we can give it a second while it loads. So once we do that guys, we can see that Wix loads up the template for us to preview. Okay, so we can scroll down and take a look at if the template is nice. And we can see that it's a pretty clean and nice looking template. So once you have a template in mind guys, we can go ahead and further check it out by seeing what it looks like on our mobile device. So if we click this button right here, let's give it a second while it loads. This button will show us what our template looks like when we view it on a mobile device. And we can see guys that it's completely mobile responsive, which is very cool. Now most of Wix templates in my opinion are completely mobile responsive, so we don't really have to do a lot of work in making them responsive. So once again guys, that's a pretty cool feature from Wix, okay? So just make sure that you do take a look at your template in the mobile view to make sure that you're happy with how it looks, okay? So to go back to our desktop view, we can click this button right here and let's give it a second. And once we're happy with our template guys, we can go ahead and begin customizing our template by pressing this button right here, okay? So let's go ahead and do that. And once again guys, let's give it a second while Wix loads it up. So once we do that guys, we will be directed to this page right here where we have a quick pop-up which says welcome to Wix. We can go ahead and close that. And right here guys, we can see that this is where we're going to be spending most of our time. So this right here is our template guys, which we picked a second ago. And over here we have a bunch of different tools that we will go ahead and use in the upcoming videos. So this is where we can go ahead and begin customizing our Wix website to make it look like how we want. So with that said guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to show you how you can select your own Wix template. Once we have that selected, in the next video we will go ahead and begin talking about these different tools right here, and we will talk about how we can begin customizing our Wix website. So I will see you in the next video.